Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to detect faces and objects.
Hey girls.
Hi, Dad.
And works with your other Ring cameras.
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in tonight?
To create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam by Ring.
SpyX, spy like a pro. SpyX roll-in spy bug, listen to secrets up to 15 meters away. SpyX power scope, spy on your enemies, day or night. SpyX night vision goggles, see in the dark up to 8 meters away. SpyX wrist goggles, talk with other spies over 3K away. SpyX, spy like a pro, anywhere, anytime. SpyX roll-in spy bug, power scope, night vision goggles, and wrist goggles, each sold separately.
Now, more than ever, our privacy is under attack because there are tiny hidden cameras watching and recording us all the time, everywhere, even in our most intimate moments without our knowledge. These tiny cameras are found all the time in dressing rooms, hotel rooms, public bathrooms, apartments, locker rooms, and places you didn't think possible. The SPYFINDER Pro puts an end to concerns of privacy invasion by instantly uncovering all hidden camera lenses which are spying on you. This easy-to-use, pocket-sized detector can go along with you anywhere. To use the SPYFINDER Pro, look through the viewfinder while pushing the button on top to activate the 6 super bright LED strobe lights. These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be. Now with Maxi Boost LED technology, there are 3 LED intensity modes that allow you to better control and hone in on the area you are sweeping. High is best for larger rooms and open office or living spaces, and low is best for smaller rooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and shiny surfaces such as plastic or glass. In a slow, sweeping motion, scan the room, looking at all surfaces until you are confident the room is clean and free from potential hidden cameras. Even if the camera is turned off, you'll clearly see that the camera lens is blinking back at you up to 45 feet away. Put a stop to the invasion of your privacy before.
This Wi-Fi camera V908 is app-controlled. It adopts magnetic chassis, making sure it can be installed anywhere easily. V908 has wider angle of 150 degree and night vision 30 feet, 9 times longer than normal cameras. V908 adopts a 500 megawatt-hour built-in lithium battery, which can work 2 hours after fully charged. If you need continuous working, please keep it plugged. There are 2 connection ways to the camera. First, connection between router Wi-Fi and the camera. In this way, you can check the live video no matter where you are. Second, connection between the mobile phone and the camera. In this way, you can only watch the live video nearby the camera, which means 300 meters in wide open. V908 magnetic chassis can be pasted on any surface by sticker. You can adjust monitor angle at 360 degrees. Now, take it out with you for travel, party, or meeting and security. Have fun with it.
That work? Can you see me?
Yeah, it's working. This is super cool.
Are you gonna help me clean up your toys?
Delivery.
Be right there.
Hello?
Am I gonna get it or are you gonna get it? I'll get it.
Hey, thank you.
Come on.
Hey, can I help you? Hey!
No, sorry, I'm not home. I'm coming.
Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse, and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story Mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.